Hello viewers, this Friday we are showing another Canadian smoking design tutorial, which is one of my favorite designs. And you can see the design already we did. So let us show the procedure of the design. Here you can see we have taken some squares where every square has 3 centimeter length and 3 centimeter wide. For this design, you must take 3 centimeter square to get a perfect and beautiful shape of the design. So be careful on it. Now see, according to row 1, we are taking a diagonal in first square from left to right side and dropping a square and then taking another diagonal from right side to left side. I mean taking the diagonal from the opposite direction of first square. After then, again dropping a square and drawing a diagonal again. Drawing a diagonal again we took in first square. So follow what I am doing. Now in second row, we will do the same thing we did in first row. Now third row will be dropped and fourth and fifth row, here we will take the diagonals as we took in first and second row. I'm telling again, in fourth and fifth row, here we will take the diagonals as we took in first and second row. Okay, let's see the next point, measurement of fabric. And it's very important because everyone needs to know the measurement of fabric before we make the design or cushion. Number 1. Take any kind of fabric like satin, cotton or any other glossy fabric. Number 2. Use a colored pencil or chalk to draw the design in the fabric. Number 3. Use same colored fabric thread to sew. Number 4. For 14 into 14 inch cushion, you need to take 38 into 38 inch fabric. Number 5. For 16 into 16 inch cushion, you need to take 48 into 48 inch fabric. Number 6. For 18 into 18 inch cushion, you need to take 58 into 58 inch fabric. And I would like to take the fabric little bit more to make the design perfect and to make it easy. Okay, let's see the procedure. Now on the fabric. See, here is the design. And we will start sewing from here and we'll join the two corners of the diagonal and we'll tie up tightly, and by this way you should complete the design. I'm telling again, we'll just join the two corners of the diagonal and tie up tightly. So this is the whole process we will do in the design. So let's see. So guys, this is our required Canadian smoking design and wish you will love it. So guys, if you like our video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel to get more designs. Stay safe and healthy.